Hello, and welcome to Special Phonetic Sounds. This is the first list of special phonetic sounds, and I have one video that goes over the first half of the list. Today I want to go over the second half of the special phonetic sound, starting with tur in train. So let's look at the special sound tur in train. Tur in train, TR. So this sound TR says tur as in the word train. And we have some blends here with our short vowels a, I, o, and our long vowels a, e, I, o, u. So let's read the short vowel blends first. Tur, a, tra. Tur, e, tre. Tur, I, tre. Tur, a, tra. Tur, a, tra. So we have tra, tre, tri, tra, tra. The long vowel blends, tur, a, tray, tur, e, tree, tur, I, try, tur, o, tro, and tur, u, true. So tray, tree, try, tro, true. Now we're going to read some words. We're going to read the blend, and then we're going to add the final consonant. This word here we have tur, a, tra, tram. And in this word we have one vowel, and it's a short vowel, so we mark it with a smile. And we have a special sound, tur in train, so we circle the special sound. In this word here, we have one vowel, but this is a special sound. AY says A in pray. This was in the beginning of the special sounds list. A in pray, AY. We'll circle that special sound, and we'll circle tur in train. So we read this word, tur, a, tray. This word has one vowel. This is not a special sound. We mark the vowel with a smile. We have tur, e, tre, k, trek. Again, you can circle the special sound. In this word, we have one vowel. It says it's short sound, and one special sound. Tur, I, tri, p, trip. In this word, we have our special sound tur in train, a special sound k in tuck, that was in the first half of the list, and our vowel is one vowel, so it's short vowel, a, tur, a, tra, k, track. You can write all these words down and have your student circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. I'm going to read over these words. Read along with me. Tur, I, trip. Tur, a, trot. Tur, a, trade. Tur, I, trim. Tur, a, trail. Tur, a, trait. Tur, odd, trod. Tur, e, tree. Tur, a, trust. Tur, I, try. Tur, e, treat. Tur, you, true. Tur, a, trash. Tur, a, tray. Tur, I, trick. The next special sound is sh in ship, sh. Sh in ship, sh. And our blends are sha, she, shi, shaw, sha. Our long vowel blends are shay, she, shy, show, shoo. And we're going to do the same thing here to this first row. We're going to circle the special sound, and there's only one vowel, so it says it's short sound, sh, shell, shell. Circle the special sound, mark the vowel, there's only one vowel, it gets a smile, it's a short vowel, d, a, da, sh, dash. Circle the special sound, one vowel, gets a smile, f, fish, fish. We circle the special sound, mark the vowel, hush, hush. We circle the special sound, and here we have two vowels. The first one's long, second one's silent. Shine, shine. Then we'll read these words: shy, shut, shot, shape, shoe, she, shack, shade, shake, shave, shed, sheep, shelf, shin, brush, gush, dish, sheet, cash. Now we're going to look at our special sound in thick or thin. In thick or thin. This is the soft TH sound. Tha, the, thaw, th. They, thee, thy, tho, thu. So some of these blends obviously don't have words that go with them. Practice them anyways. We're going to read this first row and mark the vowels and circle the special sounds. So we have a special sound, th in thick. We have a short vowel, one vowel gets a smile. And these just get their pronunciations. M says P says p. P. Thump. Mark the circle the special sound, mark the vowel. Thin, thin. Circle the special sound, mark the vowel. Thud, thud. Mark the vowel and circle the special sound. Theft, theft. Mark the vowel, circle the special sound. Math, math. Circle the special sound, mark the vowel. Path, path. Reading these words: that, think, both, thing, with, sixth, thorn, earth, thank, teeth, cloth, theme. You can pause the video and read the words. The next special sound is th in them. Th in them. This is the hard TH sound. So if you're looking for a list of words for the hard TH sound, it's going to be different than the soft TH sound. So we have the, 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 they, the, thy, thou, thou. Reading these words, we have at, that. We'll circle the special sound and mark the vowel. Circle the special sound, mark the vowel. Then. I, this I in fly, thy. Thine, thine. Them. Their, those, these. They, thus. We have bull and block. Reading the blends, we have blah, bleh, bleh, blah, blah, blay, blee, bly, blow, blue. Reading the words, we have a special sound and another special sound and one vowel, and we mark it with a smile. Black, black. Circle the special sounds. We have two vowels, A and E. First one's long, second one's silent. a blade, blade. Circle the special sound. We have two vowels, A and E. First one's long, second one's silent. Bull, A, blame, blame. Bull, and we have sh in ship, and short U, one vowel, gets a smile. Bull, blush, blush. Bull and st, bull, ast, blast. We have blink, blind, blue, bless, bleat, bluff, blush, blurt, bloom, blend. Then we have cool and clock, CL, cool and clock, CL, cla, cle, clear, claw, claw, clay, clee, cly, clo, clue. Circling the special sound and marking the vowel, we're going to read this word, clam, clam. Clap, clap. Cool. Now we have two vowels, a and I. The A is long, the I is silent. Cool A, claim, claim. Mark the special sound, circle the special sound, mark the vowel. Cool, clog, clog. Cool and th. And O is one vowel, so we mark with a smile. Cool, cloth, cloth. We have the words clean, cloak, clomp, click, clip, cluck, clash, clamp, clay, cliff. Full in flake, FL. FL says full in flake. We have fla, fleh, fleh, flaw, fluh. Flay, flee, fly, flow, flew. We also have here this word. We're going to circle the special sound and mark the vowel. Full, flag, flag. Circle the special sound. There's two vowels. First one's long, second one's silent. Full A, flake, flake. Again, circle the special sound. Mark the vowels. There's two vowels. First one's long, second one's silent. Full A, flame, flame. I'm going to circle the special sound and mark the vowel. It's only one vowel. We mark it with a smile. Full A, flap, flap. Then we mark the vowel. Circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. You can do either one first. You can mark the special sound. You can circle the special sounds, or you can mark the vowels. Full A, flash, flash. And then we have flat, flee, flip, float, flock, fluff, flute, fly. And the last one, gull in glue, GL. Gull in glue, GL. Gla, gle, gli, glaw, glah. Glay, glee, gly, glow, glue. Going down our first row here, we're going to circle the special sound and mark the vowel. Gul, glad, glad. Gul, glass. Gul, there's two vowels. First one's long, second one's silent. Gul, glee. Gul, this is another special sound. Gloom. This is a little bit of an advanced word. Gul, it's a long O. Gul, globe. Glen, glue. Glide, glaze, glass. Glum, glow, glare, gland, glove. Remember, you can always print off a list or write out a list for your student to mark the vowels and circle the special sounds. Have them practice and then read the words. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.